Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another hair video. Recently I did do the split color with pink and gray. Now I really don't like how this gray has been fading out. Let me zoom you in and maybe undo this side because I did already have it separated. I don't know, it just went like a weird, you can see like it's not a pretty gray anymore. So we're gonna switch it up again. And the colors that I'm gonna go this time, I'm going to keep it with the split. I'm using the Lagoon Blue here from Punky Color, as well as Spring Green mixed in with a little bit of bright yellow just to make it be more of like a lime green. Now, I don't know how this is going to turn out because, of course, this still has some pink in it and this still has some gray in it. I think I'm going to put the blue on the bit of a pink side because I won't mind if it goes a bit purple. I don't know what the green and pink will make, so I think we're going to do green on the gray and blue on the pink. And we're going to see what exactly we come up with. I do already have my bowls here, so that's exciting. And yeah, we'll start with the blue side here. And I'm gonna speed this process up because, well, we've seen this before. Alright guys, this is what we are looking like. Let me spin you around here. I hope that's picking up in camera. And I don't know, I'm gonna let it sit in my hair for about 45 minutes. I'm gonna wash it out and then I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. We just rinsed it out. I left it on for about 40 minutes. I have not looked at it yet. I'm excited, but I'm kind of nervous because I've done every single color except for green. I'm not sure what I'm gonna think of this green, but yeah, okay, we're gonna have a look. Okay, I like that blue, and that green is definitely green. I need to grab my little mirror. Oh yes, now I can see it. Okay, I'm really liking that blue. That looks really pretty. And the green, let's zoom you guys in. Look at this. It is freaking green. I'm glad I put that bit of yellow in with it. And this blue looks really pretty. All right. Let's give it a quick brush maybe. How about? Dude, I think I'm gonna like this. I was nervous about the green, but we gotta see what that's gonna look like dry, right? And styled up. So here, let's have some magic. All right guys, we are back. The hair is styled, dried up. Oh my goodness, look how green this is. And the blue side, I am so stoked. Actually, my youngest is right here. Let's see what she thinks of it. How's mommy's hair?
Good.
How's the blue side?
Good.
What about the green side?
Good. We spent 4 hours on my hair.
We did her hair the other day, rainbow.
No.
It's all messy and like
I took nappy.
up at the moment. I will insert a photo of her rainbow hair here. And yeah, thanks for your opinion. Alright guys, I just want to get up a little bit closer and show you the colors. I do have it parted kind of that way. When you do the middle part, it is more like that, where it's like completely split. I do like to part my bangs usually on a deep side part and have some green going into the blue. Or you can flip it over this way and have the blue going over into the green. Either way, I think it's a ton of fun. I'm not sure what my husband is going to think of these two color choices, but I think I am digging them. Let me spin you around. I want to show you the back. Hopefully that is kind of lined up on camera so you can see.
It is.
And yeah, I don't know, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this color combination. Again, I've never ever had green hair before, so this is totally new for me. I don't know, I'm kind of digging it. Let me know what you guys think. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos, then you know you gotta hit the bell. And until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.
Bye-bye.